All right, good morning and welcome to today's outdoor activity. Now I'm up here at Vernon Reservoir to take advantage of the increased fish limits that the DWR has put on this reservoir. Now it's actually kind of a sad situation because the reservoir is almost gone, to be honest with you. I'm not even 100% sure whether we're going to get into some fish today or not. But here in a minute, I'll show you how low the reservoir is. I'll get the kayak set up, and we'll head out, and we'll see if we can catch some fish today. So you can see the high water mark for Vernon, and just how low this reservoir is. It's crazy. I'm not even sure if it's worth putting the kayak out there or not, but I don't know. We'll give it a try. First hit of the day. Let's try that again. Got a hit already on that lure. Oh my gosh. It's like 3 feet right here. Wow. Fish. There's a fish. There's a fish. There we go. That's a rainbow. Nice fish. Oh, he's a freaking dandy. Look at him. Look at the size of that one. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know they got that big in here. Holy crap. Wow. Man, I almost hate to keep this guy. Look at this fish, guys. Holy crap. Look at how beautiful. Man, I hate to keep this fish, but wow. He is beautiful. So the fishing up here at Vernon Reservoir was a little rough, which was kind of expected considering the water levels and the situation up here at Vernon. Now I was able to hook into a small planter rainbow trout. I hooked a few, I lost a few, and then towards the end of the day I hooked into that beautiful brown trout, and I'm still not happy about keeping that fish, but it will go to good use. So my friends, the DWR has raised the trout limit up here at Vernon to 8 fish, and that is extended through September 30th. Hey my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your ongoing support. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next outdoor activity. Bye-bye.